Hi, welcome to Storytime at the Houston Public Library. I'm Caitlin, and today we are reading Wee Beasties. Huggy the Python Hugs Too Hard. Written by Ame Dyckman, illustrated by Alex G Griffiths. We'd like to take a moment and say thank you to Simon & Schuster's publishers for letting us read the story. This is Huggy the Python. He loves to hug the things he loves. But sometimes Huggy hugs too hard. Look, Huggy, a balloon. Huggy loves balloons. Gentle, gentle, pop. Oh no. Oops. You hug too hard, Huggy. Look, Huggy, ice cream. Huggy loves ice cream. Gentle, gentle, squish. Oops, you hug too hard, Huggy. Look, Huggy, a fuzzy little dog. Huggy loves fuzzy little dogs. Wait, can you show Huggy how to be gentle? Can you give the fuzzy little dog a gentle hug? You did it! That was a great gentle hug. Your turn, Huggy. Remember, hug a gentle hug. Whew! Just right, Huggy. The end. Thank you for joining us at Storytime at the Houston Public Library. Bye!